welcome back to my channel. My name is Geneva. I go by Genuinely Geneva on all my social media platforms. Today's video is going to be how I organize and store my fabric. So I buy a lot of fabric, whether it be online or in person, and I need a way to effectively and nicely store and organize my fabric. So what I've started to do is cut cardboard boards up, and I'll show you an example of that. And so here's an example of cardboard. This was like a box. You see the back side is like black. Then I cut up all types of boards, all types of boxes from everywhere, and I make them into fabric organizers. And so what I do is I typically take a board like this, and the dimensions, in case you're wondering, are the height is 12, the width is 5. So in case you wanted to make this on your own, it's really simple. It's a really quick DIY, and it's a way to recycle and reuse cardboard from your house. So I make these boards, I roll the fabric onto the board, and then I will store the fabric into a container. So I am going to show you how I roll the fabric, and then I'll come back. So you have seen me roll the fabric and what it looks like on one of my fabric organizers. So once I do that, this is the fabric here. I take it and I will put a rubber band around it just so that it is nice and neat and it fits in my container the way I like it to fit. And so I will take it and I put it into a drawer similar to this one right here. This particular drawer came from the Container Store, and they come in different colors. And so I just like them because they fit this size board and they fit my fabric. So I just typically take the fabric once I rolled it, I find a place for it, and then I stick it in there. If you are wondering where I got this particular fabric from, this fabric did come from Joann's, and it is an outdoor fabric. So just in case you were wondering where I got that from. Thank you so much for watching. That's all I have today for my fabric organization and storage. This method really works for me. It is quick, it is easy, it is hassle-free, and I like the way it looks in my sewing room in terms of neatness and organization. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.